What's going on, guys? It's your girl Razor in the ding, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, hey boo, and if you're returning, what's up? What's up? What's up? In today's video, I'm actually excited to style my hair differently because if you know, I usually rock the same hairstyles over and over by preference. But Luster's Pink, shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. They kind of made me excited to try out one of their products. It's their Hold and Shine Perfecting Gel. I'm not sure if any of you have used it before, but I haven't. So this will be a first impression video too. I'm gonna give you guys all the details on this product. It's said to be a hero product that can be used to do any type of styles, including hold your edges down, sleek your hair down, I'm gonna try a hairstyle today. I'm gonna bring out the curls and do something in the front. I just wanted to show you guys the process while reviewing the gel. So yes, it's a gel. I don't know if I said that. It's 16 ounces, contains certified organic ingredients. So if that's up your alley, you can walk through. There are some claims. You guys know we love to test the claims, so let's talk about them real quick. So this product claims to, this gel claims to provide a secure hold and beautiful shine. So hold, shine without the unwanted side effects of typical gels. What do typical gels be doing as a spank? It's formulated with organic olive oil plus argan oil, panthenol, which is pro vitamin B5, to nourish hair, so nourish, while fighting crunchiness and flaking, so no flaking. The claims keep adding up. It's a touch of vegetable glycerin and other moisturizers, help maintain hydration and fight frizz. So fight frizz. Hair stays in place, and compared to ordinary gels, it leaves hair feeling softer and lighter. So softer hair. So we're on 6 now. It adds the perfect finishing touch to a whole variety of styles for natural textured as well as smooth styling. It's probably about 10 claims by now. But as I said, it's supposed to be a hero product that does all of the above and does everything that a gel and more would do. Let's talk about the smell. My nose is kind of blocked up, so I don't even know. But it smells like... It smells like a gel. What does that mean? It smells like a typical light holding gel. I wish I was a smell connoisseur, but obviously I'm not. But let's talk about the texture. It is thick, not too sticky. It's somewhat light. So let's see if this is actually gonna give some hold, but it's more on the watery side, but it still has the gel consistency. Let me do a little cheat, but we'll see the full review as we go on. On Luster's Pink, you guys realize I'm saying Luster's now because one of my videos I was just saying pink, but yes, call me by my name. It retails for $6.99 on their website. My hair has already been prepped. I shampooed and I deep conditioned, as well as I left some leave-in conditioner in my hair and twisted it up in the sections that I'll be working with. So let's talk about the style inspiration. I wanted to rock the curls, right? But I also wanted to do something in the front just so that my hair can last longer. You have to know your hair. I know my hair, so that's why we're talking about this right now. When I do wear my curls out, the front of my hair gets stale the fastest and it just makes me not want to rock my hair out. But if I do something different with the front, I feel like it'll just look a lot better and last longer because I also have different textures in the front of my hair as well. I wanted to do braids, but I don't feel like doing braids right now. Now I'm going to see if my sections in the front match up. I didn't use any a mirror to part it or anything. I'm gonna put the back away, well parted, or parted well enough, because with natural hair things don't have to be perfect and it can still look cute because we're not professionals, I'm not. So the parts don't look as bad, but I want to make sure I have the same amount of hair on both sides. And I can never get this word say. I am going to use some rubber bands in the front of my hair. You guys saw the inspo. I don't want them too big and I also don't want them too small. And when I'm styling my hair, I literally have to keep twisting and putting it away because my hair will dry up and it'll be even harder to handle. This part obviously isn't straight enough, but we'll fix it. I have my rubber bands in this tub. I'm going to break this section into 2, detangle, and now I'll start using the gel. So this is also supposed to give hold and shine, right? So it goes on pretty smooth. You guys see the shine already, and it seems like it'll give some good hold. Okay, Lusters, I'm excited to see how my hair turns out because I actually love how my hair looks styled. I just don't. I'm just not into it right now. But I did say from time to time I do want to try different styles on my hair. I'm gonna wrap the band, let me just say band instead of just tripping over my words, around 3-4 times, maybe 5. Pull to make sure it's tight. And now I'm gonna connect this piece to the back. But you guys see the hold already. I'm also gonna put some gel on the roots at the back section, just so when I connect it, it won't be as frizzy. Put a band around the back section as well. Put it around the hair about 4 times, maybe more, maybe less. And then connect the front section with the back. Make sure it's smooth. Gonna wrap that around this one at the back. And then pull. Need it hurry up. So we're gonna add some water into this. I'm gonna start activating the curls in the front 1 time. Gonna wet my hair. The instructions recommend putting it on damp hair. Depends on how you like doing your wash and goes. I don't do wash and goes often at all, so I don't even know what I like from what I don't like when I'm doing wash and goes. But anyway, let me apply the gel. I'm using a little by little, and then I'm gonna rake it through. I'm thinking if to do the shingling method. I know what it is now. I forgot for a while. I think I'm gonna do that for a couple of the sections. So that's basically when you break the curls, well, the hair apart into smaller curls and twist the curls around your fingers to give you more curl definition. But so far, I'm actually surprised that the gel is kind of giving me a hold like any other popular gel that I use. So this is what this section is looking like. I'm excited to see what it looks like when my hair dries. So let me move on to the other sections, because this is one of my favorite things to say in my videos. It's getting dark and I want to show you guys what my hair looks like, but I'll most likely come back tomorrow when my hair is mostly dry to show you guys the end results. Let me do one more in the front. So break this into half, detangle, apply some gel. Let me see if the gel is gonna keep my hair in the front down for real. This is the part that curls up on each other. Okay, curl definition. I don't know, I get excited anytime I see my curls because I don't wear them often at all. Wrap the rubber band around a couple of times, pull, and then connect it to the back. Before I connect it, I do the same thing I just did in the front. Apply the gel, wrap around. Try not to get any hair in the back into this section. Pull to tighten, and then connect the piece in the front. Smooth it out first, then connect. And then pull, spritz a little bit more water, apply some more gel, and do a little shingling. And that's it. So let me finish doing the front, and then we're gonna do some of the back together, and then tomorrow results. I'm all done with the front, so let me give you guys a little close up. So obviously the look I'm going for is big hair. My hair doesn't feel crunchy as it's drying. You can see the curls are starting to shrink, and the curls in the front as well. It's not the curliest part of my hair, but my hair is taking to it well. So now time to do the back. I'm gonna go section by section as well. My hair also isn't sticky, so that's a good thing. So let's start with this section right here. I might have to put the front section away just to keep it out of the way. Spritz water. I'm gonna have to apply in small sections, or I'll probably apply on this big section and make it smaller, but this section is a little too big. Okay, so let's make this section smaller, then apply the gel and break these down section by section. Well, doing the shingling method, just put it at the back and bring them to the front and break. So this is all I'm going to be doing to the hair at the back. So application is not sticky. The gel does feel like it has some moisturizing properties. One section down, respritz my hair with water, detangle, smooth the gel on. I'm using a generous amount, put the hair that I'm not dealing with at the back, and then do the shingling method. Day, and I try my best to let my wash and go dry on the same day because it may affect my results the next day. But I am going to fluff it and hang and stretch it. I usually don't stretch my wash and goes, but we're gonna stretch it today. But so far the curls feel soft, really soft. It doesn't have a gel cast at all. So I'm gonna stretch it with a blow dryer, but you guys see the shrinkage. We have the curl definition. My hair is still wet in some parts, my roots. We're gonna make this bigger, but this is what my hair looks like straight out of the bonnet. My hair feels really soft, moisturized. The curls feel good. I'm gonna put a blow dryer at my roots and stretch my hair. I'm just stretching the upper part of my hair. I'm not stretching the roots. Not the roots. Wow, I'm stretching the roots downwards and leaving out the ends. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm excited to see how this looks, guys. So let me do this. I'm done stretching the roots. I need to pick at my hair a little bit, and I'm gonna style the front. Working with different textures is a lot. So I'm gonna put these up because it's not laying right. I'm gonna pull these out and continue to fluff the hair at the back. Yes, but my hair feels so good, guys. My hair feels moisturized, extremely moisturized, but still my curls are defined. So let me put these up. Okay, let me find my hair pick. Let me find my hair pick to pick it out some more. I'm technically done, and my hair will just get bigger over time. But my hair looks a lot bigger off camera. I don't know. But the curls are defined, moisturized. The hair is shiny. We have movement, we have volume. We love it. Do you guys love it? Let me know in the comment section down below. Brought the curls out today thanks to Luster's Pink. Thank you for sponsoring this video again. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will definitely try it out for a sleek, slick style. I got work tomorrow. I'll most definitely put this up into a high bun, but maybe I should do a week in my hair. What do you guys think about that? Maybe not. I don't know. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and yes, Luster's. Yes, Luster's Pink. We are loving it. All right, thank you guys for watching again. See you in the next video. Bye.